Welcome to Next SparkX. Learn English through powerful stories that improve your listening, vocabulary, and speaking skills. Let's dive into today's story. Have you ever met someone everyone avoided only to discover they were hiding the most incredible secret of all? This story begins in a quiet American town where an old man lived alone in a small wooden house at the end of Maple Street. Every morning, he sat on the same weathered porch, wearing the same brown hat and quietly watching the world pass by. Neighbors whispered that he was strange. Neighbors crossed the street to avoid him. No one knew where he came from, and no one ever saw visitors. They simply called him the lonely old man. But one rainy afternoon, everything changed. I had just moved into the neighborhood for a new teaching job. Unlike everyone else, I was curious rather than afraid. Every day, I noticed the old man feeding birds before eating his own breakfast. He smiled gently whenever someone looked his way, even if they ignored him. One afternoon, as heavy rain began to fall, I saw him struggling to carry several grocery bags. Without thinking, I ran over to help him. He looked surprised, then smiled warmly and said, "Thank you. It's been a long time since someone offered." Inside his small house, I expected darkness and dust. Instead, I found shelves filled with books, old photographs, military medals, and beautiful paintings. The house was simple, but every corner told a story. As I placed the groceries on the kitchen table, my eyes stopped on a framed newspaper clipping. The headline read, "Local Hero Saved 12 Children During Flood." The man in the photo looked much younger, but I recognized the same kind eyes staring back at me. I asked him about the article. For a moment, he remained silent. Then he quietly admitted that many years ago, a terrible flood had struck the town. Without thinking about his own safety, he had driven an old school bus through rising water again and again, rescuing trapped children until everyone was safe. The town called him a hero. Newspapers wanted interviews. Television stations wanted his story. But after the attention faded, people moved on with their lives, while he returned to living quietly. "What happened after that?" I asked. He smiled sadly and looked out the window. "Heroes are remembered for a moment," he said. "Character is what remains when nobody is watching." As we talked, he revealed another surprise. For over 20 years, he had secretly paid school lunch bills for children whose families couldn't afford them. Every Christmas, he left anonymous gifts on the doorsteps of struggling families. When someone's roof leaked or a car broke down, he quietly paid for the repairs through friends who never revealed his name. He never wanted recognition. He believed kindness was most powerful when it remained invisible. The more I listened, the more ashamed I felt. The entire neighborhood had judged him without knowing anything about his life. People saw an old man sitting alone on a porch, but they never saw the countless lives he had quietly changed. A few weeks later, the old man became seriously ill. Word spread quickly through the town. One by one, people began visiting his home. Former students, firefighters, nurses, teachers, business owners, and parents all arrived with flowers and handwritten letters. Many shared stories no one else had ever heard. One woman explained that his anonymous donation had allowed her to attend college. A firefighter admitted that the old man had inspired him to dedicate his life to helping others. Another family revealed that they would have lost their home years ago if not for an unknown act of generosity that they now realized had come from him. The neighborhood that once ignored him suddenly understood the truth. They hadn't been living beside a lonely old man. They had been living beside one of the kindest people they would ever know. When spring arrived, the town organized a special ceremony in the park. The mayor offered to name a street after him, but the old man politely refused. Instead, he made one simple request. "If you truly want to honor me," he said with a gentle smile, "be kind to someone who can never repay you." Those words stayed with everyone. Months later, the old wooden house was empty, but the front porch remained exactly as it had always been. Every morning, someone from the neighborhood placed fresh birdseed there. Children who once feared him now stopped to feed the birds before school. Neighbors smiled at strangers. Quiet acts of kindness became part of everyday life. The old man's greatest secret was never the medals, the newspaper stories, or the lives he had saved. His greatest secret was that true greatness doesn't need applause. It lives in the quiet choices we make every single day, especially when no one is watching. And perhaps somewhere in your own neighborhood, someone is carrying a beautiful story the world has never taken the time to hear.